thanks for coming back and checking out another stock look. I know it's been ages and absolute ages, but yeah, I thought I'd have another go. I went to my first car boot of the year today, so I couldn't resist but pick up a couple of locks. So I'm just going to show you. So we've got two tri-circles. Done me two of these. It's £3 for the pair. I've got a Defiance padlock, and we got a Squire. So, hopefully we'll be able to get into one of these. I'm going to have a go with the Defiance first. I've not had a practice or pick of these. I've not done anything. Just sat down, started the camera. So let's get one in the vice. So it does work. And let's see. I'm going to start off with me pick from Jace, matches the lock, and we'll see how we go.
Scottish daddy of capitalism. He wrote The Wealth of Nations, and he inspired many generations of people to not be moaning, nasty socialists and commies. So Adam Smith, the hidden hand of capitalism, where every man bakes bread for himself, not for his customers, but ultimately for himself. We thank you, Adam Smith. We thank you for being the antidote to Karl Marx, Fidel Castro, and Frederick Engels, and all those other nasties, Lenin, all those scumbags. Adam Smith, where at? You want a hero? You want a real hero? Adam Smith will be your hero. Now stop moaning, go make some money, says Adam. Biblical boy, Adam. And I love that he's Scottish. Leith, Bath, the Bath to Leith. We're at St. Giles Cathedral. It's very nice, and outside here there's a heart. And Edinburgh viewers will know this one. Edinburgh viewers will be very familiar. I was looking, is there any spittle? And there are currently two spittles on the heart of Midlothian. Now that, for the internationally confused, sectarianism, not just in Northern Ireland, in Scotland, Hearts is a football team, Protestant. Hibernian is a football team, Catholic. And the Hibernian fans spit on this heart, even though ultimately you're all Christians, you all support Jesus Christ. Get over yourself. You've got a much bigger enemy now. It's time to unite. Stop being sectarian monkeys. It's time to stop being dumb beasts and actually save this country against much bigger forces. Think whether you support the right kind of Christianity or the wrong kind of Christianity. Get over yourself. Stop spitting on the heart. Stop being anti-Catholic, anti-Protestant, anti-anything. The greatest gift we've given to ourselves is Christianity. And so, get over yourself. You're missing the message if you're still attacking fellow Christians. Come on then. Right, we've got a green man. So, we're going to go down to, sorry, we're going to go down to Victoria Street. Independent shopping, restaurants, bars and cafes. But before we do, we run the MDF gauntlet. Remember, national libraries, Scotland. And there's another library. We might have a look further down, but for now, welcome to Victoria Street. Welcome. Just need to check my lenses are actually clean. misspent youth clubbing. Not much. Some of my misspent youth clubbing in the liquid rooms. Nightclub. Here you can see what has ruined people's minds via TikTok. You can see the massive queues, and people then they need it. Although it looks like it's delicious Scottish hog roast. It's hog roast. Oink. And I'm joining in, except mine's for YouTube, the real video social media. Anyway, just one more time, look at this queue. Look at this queue for pig products. They love a bit of piggy. And who doesn't? Tastes delicious. If God didn't want us to eat bacon,
That's not going quite to plan, is it? Let me try a different one. Let me try John Eggs.
I'm gonna have some pork chops. Squeeze a bit of lime onto it. Oh, lovely. But anyway, there's another queue. There's another queue. This one's a lot more boring. This one's this one's for the retailer of officially licensed Harry Potter merchandise. And you can see a lot of very bored boyfriends being dragged here by their girlfriends. It's very sad. But anyway. Are you a bored boyfriend? I'm too. I missed the Harry Potter book thing. But let me get here in your late 20s. Thanks very much. Nearly 40. You're nearly 40? No, I don't believe it. I need your secret. All the best and enjoy. Take care. I honestly thought he was like 29. What? Nearly 40? Don't believe it. Anyway.
There we go. That's not too bad. 8 minutes, considering how long it's been since I picked one. But we two got it open when I got my John Egg intern on it. So, yeah. Happy Stock Lock Sunday.